Supply orders. Each school has a designated day of the week that supplies are delivered. See the chart on page 48 of the form section to find your school so you know what day of the week they get supplies. Supplies are to be ordered on the same day of the week as they are delivered. School supply orders are placed 2 weeks before they are delivered. When ordering supplies, make sure you consider condiment expiration dates. If a school does not need supplies, the supply order form is to be sent in with "no supplies needed" written on the form. Fax supply orders to 973-2113 on the due date indicated on the order form. If a supply order is not received, the FPC clerk will send a flyer to the FSA via the cold cabinet, notifying them that they will only receive the following on their next delivery: 1 case of 5-ounce bowls, 2 cases of meal kits, 1 case of 3-pound trays, 2 cases of 5-compartment trays. If you would receive this flyer and you forgot to order in error, you need to call the FPC clerk so she can assist you. If a school runs short of supplies due to an error on their part, the school may have to come to the Food Production Center to get the needed supplies. If a supply ordered by a school is out of stock, the school will be notified via a flyer. Schools will need to continue to reorder the out-of-stock supplies, and a flyer will be sent to notify schools each time of the outage until the supply is back in stock. Schools need to determine a daily usage amount, which that is the average amount used in a day, for items used every day like 5-ounce bowls, trays, meal kits, and white balls, to name a few. So here's an example of how we figure out daily usage. School B serves 200 breakfasts and 450 lunches. With each of those, students take a meal kit, so that would mean they use 650 meal kits. Meal kits are packed 500 per case. So 650 divided by 500 equals 1.3 boxes per day. That is the daily use of meal kits. The next supply order has 8 days in it. So 8 days times the 1.3 boxes equals 10.4 boxes needed. So school B has 5 cases on hand. So 10.4 minus the 5 on hand equals 5.4 cases needed on the next supply order. However, we can't order 5.4, so 6 cases would be ordered. This is an example of what supply order forms look like. However, your school supply form will be pre-printed with your school name, the date to place the order, the date of delivery, and supply usage dates. The date to place the order equals the date you must fax this order to FPC. The date of delivery equals the date this order will be delivered. Supply usage dates equal the dates the supplies on this order will be used. Each supply item has a stock number. There is also an order by, which is the description of how the item will come, and the amount per, which is the quantity in which the order by description is. So in this example, gloves come in a box with 100 gloves in the box. The item description is also listed on the supply order form. There are pictures on page 53 of the form section to help you know what each of these items are. List what is on hand at the school after you've received that day's delivery. Then write the amount needed, which equals the on hand at the school minus that daily usage times the supply usage dates. By listing the on-hand amount at the school, FPC can use that information to help you make sure that you ordered the correct amount. Then, as said before, fax your completed form to 973-2113.